Hey there, animal lovers. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey through the animal kingdom? Welcome to today's video, where we're going to test your animal knowledge with a fun and engaging quiz. Whether you're a seasoned wildlife enthusiast or just someone who loves animals, this quiz is sure to challenge and entertain you. Get ready to answer some intriguing questions about the animal kingdom and see how many you get right. Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of animals together. Question 1. Which animal is known to have the most powerful bite in the animal kingdom? This creature's bite is so strong it can crush bones with ease. Is it A, the lion, B, the great white shark, or C, the saltwater crocodile? Think you know it. Take a moment to consider the sheer power behind each of these predators. The answer is C, the saltwater crocodile. These formidable reptiles have the strongest bite force of any animal on the planet. Their bite can reach up to 3,700 pounds per square inch. That's like having a car dropped on you. Imagine the sheer force and power behind that bite. All right, next question. Ready to test your knowledge further? Which bird is famous for its elaborate courtship dance? These birds go to great lengths to impress their potential mates. A, the peacock, B, the bowerbird, or C, the albatross. Got your answer. It's B, the bowerbird. These birds are true artists of the animal world. These birds create intricate structures and perform dances to attract their mates. Talk about putting on a show. Their creativity and dedication are truly remarkable. Question 3. Let's see how well you know your mammals. What mammal is known for its incredibly slow metabolism, causing it to move at a snail's pace? This animal's leisurely lifestyle is quite unique. A, the koala, B, the sloth, or C, the panda. Ready? The correct answer is B, the sloth. These creatures are the epitome of slow and steady. The correct answer is B, the sloth. These tree dwellers move so slowly that algae can actually grow on their fur. Their slow pace is a fascinating adaptation to their environment. These tree dwellers move so slowly that algae can actually grow on their fur. This unique relationship with algae provides them with excellent camouflage. Let's keep going. Ready for the next question. Which animal has the largest brain relative to its body size? This animal's intelligence is renowned and has fascinated scientists for years. A, the elephant, B, the dolphin, or C, the emu. Any guesses? The answer is B, the dolphin. These marine mammals are known for their remarkable cognitive abilities. The answer is B, the dolphin. Dolphins are incredibly intelligent and their brain-to-body ratio is second only to humans. Their problem-solving skills and social behaviors are truly impressive. Dolphins are incredibly intelligent and their brain-to-body ratio is second only to humans. They use complex communication and exhibit behaviors that suggest a high level of emotional and social intelligence. Next up, question 5. Let's see how well you know your insects. Which insect is known for its role in pollination and has a vital impact on agriculture? This tiny creature plays a huge role in our ecosystem. A, the butterfly, B, the honeybee, or C, the beetle. Ready for the answer? It's B, the honeybee. These industrious insects are essential for pollinating many of the crops we rely on for food. These little workers are crucial for pollinating many of the crops we rely on for food. Without them, our agricultural systems would be in serious trouble. All right, question 6. This one's about the giants of the ocean. What is the largest species of shark? This gentle giant is a marvel of the marine world. A, the hammerhead shark, B, the whale shark, or C, the great white shark. Got it? The answer is B, the whale shark. These massive creatures are the largest fish in the sea. The answer is B, the whale shark. These gentle giants can grow up to 40 feet long, but don't worry, they mainly feed on plankton. Their size is truly awe-inspiring. These gentle giants can grow up to 40 feet long, but don't worry, they mainly feed on plankton. Despite their enormous size, they are harmless to humans and play a crucial role in the marine ecosystem. And now for the final question. Ready to finish strong? Which animal is known for its ability to change color to blend into its surroundings? This remarkable adaptation helps it survive in the wild. A, the octopus, B, the chameleon, or C, the frog? Last chance to show off your knowledge. The answer is B, the chameleon. Last chance to show off your knowledge. The answer is B, the chameleon. These reptiles are masters of disguise. The answer is B. Chameleon. These reptiles can change their skin color for camouflage, temperature regulation, and even communication. Their color-changing ability is a fascinating adaptation. These reptiles can change their skin color for camouflage, temperature regulation, and even communication. Their ability to blend into their surroundings is truly remarkable. How did you do? Did you ace the quiz or learn something new? If you got them all right, you're a true animal expert. Congratulations on your impressive knowledge of the animal kingdom. If not, don't worry. There's always more to learn about the amazing creatures we share our planet with. The world of animals is vast and full of wonders. Thanks for joining me on this animal quiz adventure. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow animal lovers. Your support helps us bring more exciting content to you. See you next time and keep exploring the wild world of animals. There's always something new and amazing to discover.